Hello everyone, Don with Resolute Outdoors here. Today I'm going to go over some easy hunting snacks. Now I know in the past I made a video about hunting or hiking in calories on the go. I'll put a link to that up in the corner here. Everything in that video still holds true. But this is just something I've tried this hunting season that has worked for me, so I wanted to show to you here. And that is these squeezable packets here. So they come in kind of all different varieties. We have applesauce here, some chia seeds here, some ones with fruits, vegetables, mixes of both of those as well. So these kind of come in all different varieties. I really like these because they're easy to pack. They're pretty quiet. The packaging is relatively quiet. There's a little bit of crinkle to it, but nothing like a normal protein or granola bar or something like that. They're quiet. They have these nice big knobs on here to open these packages up. So you just twist and then you just squeeze out whatever's in them out of this nozzle here into your mouth. But since these are, these have such as big knobs on here, you can use them with gloves. They're easy to use. They're easy to haul around. This kind of shape here on a lot of these, the width on these actually fits in well in a lot of bungee pockets on a lot of different bags. So I have a hunting bag I've been using, and there's a couple bungees in here. The two of these will fit in perfectly, and I can line them up. You have some chia ones here with some protein, or some applesauce, something like that. Now these are great for just like a snack. Obviously, if you're going to be hunting for a multi-day trip, you can supplement with these, but these aren't going to be your primary food, obviously. Some of the places you can find these is, I know for sure, like this applesauce comes from Aldi's. The other ones come from Walmart. These might be more in like a kids section, not the applesauce at Aldi's and some of this other stuff here, but some of these might be. So you kind of got to look around and see. There is a lot of things that are like toddler or baby food that are geared towards that, and I'm sure they work fine as well. But there is other options as well. So kind of a big variety here. Fruits and vegetables. They're great for hunting. They're a little bit more expensive than buying something or using your own trail mix or something like that. And I'd like to take both of these. This isn't the only thing I take hunting, but just kind of wanted to share that with you guys today. So appreciate you guys tuning in. This is Don from Resolute Outdoors. Till next time, guys. See ya.